Hello dear students, we are going to solve some multiple choice questions from first law of thermodynamics. First question is, what is the coefficient of performance of a refrigerator working between ice point and room temperature 27 degrees Celsius? These are the options. Solution. Coefficient of performance of refrigerator is given by T2 upon T1 minus T2. Here T2 is ice point means 0 degree Celsius, which is 273 Kelvin. T1 is 27 degree Celsius, which is 300 Kelvin. 300 minus 273, which is 273 upon 27, which is nearly 10. Therefore, the correct option will be C. Next question number 2. If 1 mole of an ideal gas at STP is heated through 1 Kelvin, then the work done by the gas in heat unit will be. These are the options. Solution to question 2. From first law of thermodynamics, dQ is equal to du plus dW. Therefore, dW will be equal to dQ minus du. dQ may be written as total heat supplied at constant pressure means N Cp dt, and du is N Cv dt. N into dt can be taken out, and this is Cp minus Cv, and we know Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Therefore, this becomes N R dt. N is given to 1, R is 8.31, dt is 1. So, its value will be this much joules. And when divided by 4.2, its value becomes 8.31 upon 4.2 calorie, which is nearly 1.98 calorie. Therefore, the correct option will be D. Next question number 3. Which of the following is universal gas constant? As we know, Cp minus Cv is equal to R, capital R, is known as universal gas constant. Therefore, the correct option will be B. Next question number 4. Question is, a Carnot engine working between 300 Kelvin and Carnot engine working between 300 Kelvin and 600 Kelvin has output 200 joule. What is the energy supplied by the engine? Solution to question 4. For Carnot engine, efficiency, Carnot engine efficiency is 1 minus T2 upon T1, which is also equal to work done upon heat supplied. So, heat supplied Q1 will be equal to work done upon 1 minus T2 upon T1. Work done is 200 joules. This is efficiency is 1 minus T2 is 300 Kelvin and T1 is 600 Kelvin. So 300 upon 600, this is 1 by 2. So we get 400 joules as heat supplied. So the correct option will be A. Next question number 5. The efficiency of a Carnot engine is the same when source temperature is increased through X or when sink temperature is decreased by Y. Then the relation between X and Y is, so solution to question 5. For Carnot engine, efficiency eta is equal to 1 minus T2 upon T1, where T2 is sink temperature, T2 is sink temperature and T1 is source temperature. According to question, efficiency is the same when we either increase source temperature by X or decrease the sink temperature by Y. That is, eta will be equal to 1 minus T2 upon T1 plus X when source temperature is increased through X, or it will be equal to 1 minus when sink temperature is decreased through Y. This means that 1 cancels out, minus minus cancels out, we get T2 upon T1 plus X is equal to T2 minus Y upon T1. After cross multiply, we get T1 T2 is equal to T1 T2 minus T1 Y plus X T2 minus X Y. T1 T2 cancels out and therefore we get X T2 is equal to X T2 is equal to XY plus T1Y, Y taken common, T1 plus X is Y, T1 plus XY is equal to XT2, therefore Y will be equal to XT2 upon T1 plus X. So the correct option will be B. Y is equal to X T2 upon T1 plus X.